You can see this is free money. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. This is how to withdraw GoodDollar using GoodWallet. You can see this is my GoodWallet. I'll be doing this transaction with a special wallet. This wallet, yes, this is the wallet you'll be moving your GoodDollar to. This wallet will help you to swap your GoodDollar cryptos to Celo. Then you can now move your Celo to Binance. You can see my GoodDollar balance is currently 1,000. You need to do this under Celo network or Fuse network. Let me show you how to change to different network. This is Celo network and this is Fuse network. These are two major networks supported by GoodDollar tokens. You can see we are under Celo network. So this is Celo. You either use Fuse network, this one, or Celo network, this one. And you can see my current balance. The first thing is to select the network that is supported by GoodDollar token. So we are using Celo network to do this transaction. All you need to do is to click send. This is my total GoodDollar token. I'm going to type in 4,000 GoodDollar that I'll be sending to that special wallet. Then I click send via address. You can also use send via link, but we are using address for now. All we need to do is to go and pick the recipient address. Don't forget we are under Celo network. Then you locate your GoodDollar token. This is my GoodDollar token and the current balance. You click it, then you navigate to receive. This receive, yes, this one. Then you click it to retrieve the GoodDollar address on this wallet. You copy it. Then we now take it to GoodWallet. So you paste the destination GoodDollar address. That is where you are transferring the GoodDollar to. So all you need to do is to paste it. Make sure it is the correct address. Then you click next. You check very well. Then you click next. You can see you have option to indicate the reason why you are doing the transaction. Don't forget this is Celo network. Always note that if you send to another network, your money is gone. So I click others here. That is other reason why I'm sending the GoodDollar token. This is for a YouTube video demo. So you click next. You can see you are sending 4,000 GoodDollar. Then you confirm. You can see success. You click yes. You can see the 4,000 is gone. You can see this is my GoodDollar current balance on this special wallet. It is now moved to 5,000. Ensure you download this wallet. You see the link below the description of this video. You can see my balance, and when you use that link, you get a free $5 as a transaction fee. You swap to Celo, you just swap, use that button to swap to Celo crypto. Then you now send your Celo crypto to Binance network. You put your Binance Celo address on this place. Then you send to Binance. All you need to do is to use my Binance link, which is below the description of this video. Binance will give you a gift of over $100 in USDT. You can see it here. And as soon as you sign up to Binance, you'll be able to convert your Celo crypto to USDT or any tokens of your choice on Binance exchange. After you must have converted to USDT, you can now come on the same Binance exchange. You can decide to sell your USDT. Look at it, this USDT. Just click sell. These are many people that are ready to sell. If you are from Nigeria, for instance, you put NGN Nigeria. Look at these are a lot of people that are ready to sell. These people will credit your account directly and you'll be able to get the money in your bank. If you are in another country, just use your currency and you see people that are ready to sell USDT or Bitcoin, BNB, or the currency in your country. It depends on what you convert your Celo to, but ensure you convert your crypto to these major cryptos: USDT, Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum. It is advisable to convert to USDT, which is a stable coin. The link of a video will come out now. That video will take you through step by step of how to convert and swap your GoodDollar token to Celo native crypto, which is Celo, and you will see how I did the transfer to Binance and how I use Binance P2P to collect my money directly to my bank account in Nigeria. Also, please do me a big favor. If you have gotten value with this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. The next video will take you through how to get more of this free money online, and the second video is another great way to make money online. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.